Top tourist attractions in Sweden. Kalmar Castle. Take a step back in time with a visit to Kalmar Castle, an architectural marvel with a history that stretches back 800 years. This eye-arresting landmark is a must-visit for any traveler. Wait. While enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. Vasa Museum. Since its opening in 1990, Vasa Museum has been one of Stockholm's powerhouse tourist magnets. Seeing it up close is an unmissable experience. Skansen. Say hello to the world's first open-air museum and get a glimpse at how Swedes have lived through the centuries, the craft that built the countryside and the animals that are native to the country. Stockholm City Hall. Stockholm City Hall boasts stunning architecture, waterfront views, and the Nobel Banquet Hall, offering guided tours and a breathtaking tower climb. It's definitely worth a visit. Drottningholm Palace. Drottningholm Palace boasts stunning Baroque architecture, regal interiors, and rich history, offering visitors a glimpse into Sweden's royal heritage. Make sure you don't miss it. Lund Cathedral. A stunning example of Romanesque architecture. Sweden's Lund Cathedral has been standing tall for years and is one of the country's top attractions. Uppsala Palace. Uppsala Palace boasts rich history, stunning architecture, royal artifacts, and panoramic city views, making it a must-visit attraction. Abisko National Park. Abisko National Park offers breathtaking Arctic scenery, hiking, northern lights, wildlife, and the famous Kungsleden Trail in Swedish Lapland. A certified holiday highlight. Gamla Stan. Gamla Stan, Stockholm's old town, charms visitors with cobbled streets, colorful buildings, historic sites, cozy cafes, and the royal palace. Älvstena. Älvstena, Sweden's ancient stone ship, offers stunning coastal views, Viking history, and a mysterious atmosphere. It's the perfect spot for history and nature lovers. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let us know which attraction caught your eye. Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more interesting and latest videos.